Max. Here comes Santa. Where's Santa? There he is. Yay! Santa! Oh, honey, I've tried to tell you. You're going to do a flip over that if you try to push it. It doesn't push that way. Here comes Santa. Here comes Santa. Yeah, there's Santa. Uh-oh, he stopped. Tell Mommy more. More, yeah, more. So that's your more. More Santa. Here comes Santa. Yay! Santa. Oh, be nice to Santa. Don't step on Santa. No, no. No, no. Be nice to Santa. Yeah? Is Santa coming? Must be Santa. Must be Santa. Must be Santa. Santa Claus. Do 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 do. Yay, Santa. I apologize for my singing. Santa. More Santa. Good job. Can you say Santa? Can Max say Santa? You did. No, you gotta be nice to Santa. We don't kick Santa. Nice, see? Nice Santa. Nice Santa. Say bye-bye, Santa. Bye-bye. Is he still there? Is he coming to see you? Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-oh, Santa stopped. More Santa. Can you say Santa? Because you said it earlier and I couldn't believe it. Santa. Here he comes. Don't run him over. Oh. No, don't hit Santa. Oh, he's such a good boy. There we go. Nice Santa. That's being nice to Santa. Yes, you can turn him around. You can turn him around and you can check out his feet. Yeah. Nice Santa. Oh. Yeah, there you go. That's how you play with them. Nice Santa. Oh, you drew on him too, sure. Nice Santa. Can you put him down nice? You spinning Santa? Okay. Well, let Santa walk. Want more? More Santa. There we go. Let him walk. There we go. He's walking. Say bye-bye, Santa.